Hey y'all boys, welcome back to another YouTube video, I guess, you know. Who the fuck are these kids? Anyway boys, welcome back. I heard last minute there's a car meet happening down at Marlin, so that way. We're on our way there now. You know, got like no gear on, but you know, it is what it is. And my zip broke in my pocket, so like, you know, I could have a possibility of my phone falling out. So you know, good fun. I got a little minor upgrade on the bike, you know. I got these put on. It feels more vibrating, to be honest, like a little bit more than what it normally is. I think because these are pretty vibrating if I put my hand on it and shit, but otherwise it makes me feel faster. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. But yeah, nice, really nice weather today. Fucking awesome. But yeah, anyway, it's like a car meet, so it's not a bike meet. I was supposed to have the bike meet today, but they changed it to, I think, the 2nd of April or something like that, which is next Saturday. Kind of sucks, but then again, it's not too bad because it gives us more room for our bikes to fit in. Because like when we have, last time I went to one of these meets was like, really when I just got my L's, like, it was a bit ago. And yeah, had that bike meet, and it was fucking packed. Like, we got in probably a little bit early, and we didn't realize how packed it was. Like, it was just, I don't even know, I do not know how or why it was so packed, but yeah, it was. Which way am I going? Am I going straight? Awesome day. Nice, bro. Nice. I hope someone's turning right, otherwise, yeah, I'm not, most likely not gonna, yeah, good boy. I was gonna say I'm not really gonna get the lights because it's not really gonna pick up the weight on my whole, the thing on my bike. What the fuck? Like Gay Pride Day or some shit like that. Oh yeah. I'm trying to get to, you know, that hot spot. So you know the drill, boys and girls. Whoa. Whoa. It's pretty packed. That way?
Another guy in a blue road jacket just at the end. You'll need to turn left before you get to 99 bikes.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you. Whoa. In here? This is like a, whoa. It's like fully organized. This is killer. Oh fuck. And there's feds here. Should be alright. Whoa, shit. Wow, there's some nice Harleys. There's some really nice Harleys, really clean too. I like them. That's cool. Ooh. Damn, this thing's packed. That's cool. Oh my. They're really nice. Chevrolet. Nice. Ford. They're cool. The teddy bear there. Let me actually call my mate because he might come out in his AP. So Michael. That's nice. He probably won't answer. I'll try one more time. If not, then yeah, we'll leave it for today. Whoa, they're nice. That is really nice. That's a killer car, bro. That is tough. RS. Club Sport SV, not bad. They're nice. This is fucking amazing. I want one of these. My uncle's got a Camaro. Really nice old school Camaro. It's really clean. That's really nice. That's cool as. That's cool. Ford. I reckon my dad used to own a couple of them. These are really nice cars. It's like a pretty good tank, apparently. The game's on tonight. I'm sorry. This is where it's at. Those are nice bikes. Cool. The doggy. Wow, this is packed. I didn't realize it was old school. Oh shit. Whoa. That's nice. Oh, we got a police car up there. They're reversing. This is nice. I like these. Oh, my Bluetooth battery's off. Let's go. Oh my god, look at this. Bro, this car in front of me is wild. This is probably like 10 out of 10 right there. Such a nice car. This is killer. Those bikes are not too bad. No one's really out on the bikes. Today, I guess. Shit. I can't even be bothered going there. No, not my cat. Very nice. Chicken Mustang Corvettes. Camaro. Actually, this is like similar to what my uncle has. They're tough. Damn, I should have brought my actual camera. Would have been sick. Get some nice pictures. Could have even put them up on top, but Oh, it is what it is. Last minute suggestion, I guess. Hey, this guy Luke goes to the Crows. It's a good team. I know, that's killer. That is killer. That is really nice. Wow. This is tough. That's really nice. That George? Nah. Nah. Here comes the squad. He's a real killer. This is nice. GDS's. Fuck, man. I wish my dad kept his. Oh, I'm so jealous now. I'm very jealous. Woo. Cherry red. This is really nice. Belina. Shit, guys. This is cool. Tirana. That's really cool. Pretty cool. Surprised none of my people are out that I know. It's pretty packed. I would have thought they would be, but a vet killer. Sounds good and annoying. That's cool as. I like that. That there is pretty much it, to be honest. And we're back where we started, I guess. Oh, I'll go there. I don't think I went this way. Weird looks, weird looks. Very weird looks. I don't think I came down here. Alright, we'll come here and have a little sauce. Oh, it's hot now. Oop. Don't really want. That's tough, I like that. That is killer. These are some killer cars. Let me actually call my dad, because he might want to come. Oh, we're back, ladies and gentlemen. I saw not bad, mate. It's pretty nice. Decent amount of cars were there. Well, actually, it was a lot compared to what I actually thought. I thought it was like gonna be full of super sport cars, like, you know, Lambos, Ferraris and shit. But like, it was all the old school cars, which was like killer. Is that my dad? That is my dad. My dad's already at the lights from. on that Harley, but I know that ain't my dad. I know about the R1 just in front of him. Bada bada bing. But that's it. Alright guys, we'll end that there. Yeah, like, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day, guys.